My passion, novels, reading app, romance, love, fiction stories, which you can then just discover here. So this is the app. Hey there, story lovers looking for a perfect romance novel, or would you prefer to dive into the paranormal world? Whatever your preferences are, we've got you covered. My passion is exactly the place where you can indulge in thousands of the best books, romance, mystery, or fantasy novels that will make your world become topsy-turvy. So all the different tags and genres, werewolf, billion, like all kinds of tags you have in here, features, special offers. And yeah, so that's basically the app, which you can see unlock a universe of love stories, over 100,000 stories for you to choose from, audio stories, personalization, language, and then yeah, you can just open it up. So quite interesting app. And then you just pick your language, you can allow notifications, and then you can then just select genres, select story. You can then just start reading, and then you have all of these different stories. You have popular stories, you can read it, you can listen to it. If you wanna, then you can just upgrade $8 per week and get all the chapters. You can also send the gift to the author, so quite cool. And then there are also rewards. You can claim these rewards by doing daily streak, by completing tasks. And then there is a store where you can get these coins. So that's basically the idea. Then there is your account. You can also become a passion writer. And yeah, so quite interesting app, which you can see in here, and read all of these things. And so a lot of different stories in here which you can just enjoy. And yeah, so that's basically the idea. And this is the font, how it looks like. And yeah, so there you have it.